Hello, Miss Gracia. In this video, I will talk about the importance of agriculture. First, I will start talking about what is agriculture. Well, agriculture is the process in which we use plants or animals to make food, fiber, and other products for nutrition. Agriculture has existed since the beginning. If we go back in time, nomads had to travel around and had to kill animals in order to survive. They had to be moving constantly, but when they discovered agriculture, they could now establish in a place because they domesticated species and now they could feed themselves by producing their own food. So we can say that agriculture was the base of the rise of human civilization. And with time, agriculture has been improved because new techniques to produce more quantities of product have been created because the demand of people had been increasing too. So there had been created fertilizers and technological machines in order to make more product to feed the whole population in the world. Agriculture is so essential in our daily life because we need to eat every day, and if we don't eat, our body doesn't get the nutrients it needs to live. So it's so important that we have agriculture in our lives because that way we will get food. Agriculture has also been important in the medical field because lots of the products and medicine we drink when we are sick comes from plants or bacteria that had been grown using agriculture. Also, agriculture creates bonds within the countries of the world because of exportation and importation of food, grain, and other products for nutrition. Countries maintain connected within each other. At the same time, it represents one of the highest economic incomes. Because of that demand, agriculture represents and contributes to economic development. If we think about it, all of our lives depend on agriculture. The sugar we use to sweeten our coffee, the tea we drink when we have a headache, the yogurt, the milk, the cheese we eat, all of these comes from agriculture. It is also important to remark that agriculture helps to reduce unemployment because people who don't have jobs can go into farms and they can work taking care of animals or in harvest seasons. People are needed in irrigation processes and other activities in the agricultural field. So we can say that agriculture is a great source of employment, and by this way it reduces the poverty in the world. People have acknowledged that agriculture is on the basis of our living. Because of this, agriculture and education have joined. Institutions in which they teach people correct ways of production have been created. People have been growing selfish in the agricultural field, but by this I mean that they have been growing selfish and irresponsible at the same time. They are destroying the nature and degrading the soil. And if we don't take care of our environment and the nature, then we will not have a place to grow our food. And if we destroy this place, then we will not have food. And if we don't have food, we will not have the nutrients our body needs, and our body will die. So we need to take care of this environment and nature. It is important that we learn how to produce without hurting the environment. So many institutions, for example, Zamorano, have been developed to teach the people how to produce in a healthy way. For in conclusion, Agriculture has existed since the beginning and it will exist forever. It is what we need to keep living. We have to love agriculture, love nature, love the environment, and take care of it. It is important that we make everyone understand how important agriculture is. This way, we will start taking care of the resources God has given us.